try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try explain.
Well, people, the match is about to kick off. The match is about to kick off. You know what that means, right? You know what that means, right? It's going to be hell and powder house today. It's going to be hell and powder house. Whoever win this game today, will be the champions of Europe. Maybe it's about Champions League. I'm not happy Champions League, man.
Possession as well. That's a better ball. Bruno Fernandes is in on goal here.
Oh, come on, Bruno!
Stopping them getting out of defence. Rashford.
Referee! Come on, referee! Come on!
And now he'll have to stop the game. Back to front kiss here. Now Koundé. Flick on it from Varane. More than a flick, it's a good header away. And the referee has Barcelona's favour. Bruno Fernandes can't believe it. Pats on the back for Balde. Goodness me, penalty to Barcelona. Just as Manchester United look to be clearing their lines, they're going to ask the questions. The video system referee Jerome Brisson will have a look, but he's seen that as a pullback on Balde by Bruno Fernandes. I think he's one of those where, had it not been given, the VAR wouldn't intervene, and now that it's been given, I think it's unlikely that they'll intervene either. Well, that's come out of nowhere. A Barcelona penalty. Another interesting fact behind this is that they've only had one all season, and it was missed by Robert Lewandowski against Almeria on November the 5th. Who's having this one? Rafinha wants it. Lewandowski's got it.
Oh, is that a penalty, fam? Oh, is that a penalty?
Five goals in his last 4 games against English sides. Last week was his first time facing Manchester United. Now, what a chance for him to get his first goal ever against them. One of the most masterful marksmen in the European game over the last few years. Deep breaths. Huge moment in the tie. This for advantage Barcelona.
Yeah!
Lewandowski scores, but only just. Not that will bother him. It's the fact that he scores that is all important. Even more deep breaths now. It wasn't a confident approach. It was stuttering. He picked his spot. De Gea got there. But he needed to be a little more firm with his hands on the ball. Bruno Fernandes needed to be a little less firm with his hand on Balde. Manchester United 0, Barcelona 1. And the Catalan Giants lead 3-2 in the tie. Didn't look convincing. De Gea's just a little bit too much underneath.
Fuck!
Maybe that's the reason why. He seemed to stumble as he set off. He didn't get the spring. Had that not happened, I think he saves that. Barcelona in the box seat. Shaw. No free kick.
Who's that? Everybody one book at go on there for you. Where you go over there for you? Where you go over there for you? You bumbo clot.
Turf bounce. Verdict was that Shaw jumped into Araujo. Araujo, the player hurt by it. His 100th appearance for Barca. Lewandowski's 30th and his 25th goal.
Yes! 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 Bumbo! Brip! Pussy! Suck your blood clot self. Fred me name. Will know about me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's pile it up. You have time. Go. Go, man, go. Go. Shit, don't watch it, bro. Oh, you still have it. No! Come on, that's impossible. Give me you. Give me the ball. Give me the ball, brother. Come on, man. You win the ball. Give me the ball, no, man. See me right there, so? Give me that. See that? Come on, man. What? Yes! Yes! Barbados! Yes! I done it! Move your pussy over. What? Batty boy! What? See me? Well done, man. Well done, Ruler. Well done. Let's go. Come on.
Cleared away by Varane. It's a goal.
Yeah!